the first S classes ever produced with a V8. Trucks of Motor Classic Hungary. They are special built for classics with very precision. Driving is effortless. The convertible next to me is even more limited, especially seeing the Mercedes star on the hood on Concours level. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary with 3 gems. We will focus on the W111s, the first S classes ever produced with a V8. And we have different colors here today, all W111s, and this is one of my favorite ones, the golden beige color with a beautiful tobacco brown interior. So we know that at Motor Classic restoration is done from A to Z on Concours level. This is the perfect opportunity to show you the underneath of this W111 with the Tunis exterior color, and the Tunis beige you also notice underneath. So this is a perfect restoration from A to Z. Even the screws are in amazing condition, just like it was before. Of course, not restorable items have been replaced, like tubes, but other than that, they used authentic materials. Also the color matches. Check out the exhaust over here, how it is strapped. Amazing condition. This is how you want your classic to be, in this Concours level, perfect condition. So also the complete underneath and the full inside is in top condition. So in today's video I will show you the Tunis beige over here, Project Blue with its dark blue exterior color, and the entrance seat gray one. But let's first check out the front. Beautiful. Just remember guys, everything that Motor Classic Hungary does is done in-house. So we have the full chroming, the grille, everything done in-house. The bumper is one part, by the way, with on top another bumper part, of course. And what I really love is that they chose for the US spec lamps, because they are in 2 parts and it just looks better than the European versions, which is only 1 part. And by the way, for the 8 cylinders we have the huge grille. They have 5 different layers over here. For the 6 cylinder it will be only 4 layers and it will be smaller. So this is the white one. And of course, if you go into more details, we know that for a short period of time the 6 cylinders were also made with this grille. But it is more known as the 8-cylinder grille. And guys, let me know in the comment section below, which one do you like most? If you look at the grille, we know where the newest Mercedes design language comes from. It is from these generation vehicles. Look at the newest ones like the GLC or the Vision Iconic. Beautiful and such a bold statement, elegance, and I love to see this DNA coming back in the newest Mercedes-Benz design. From that perspective, I have another reason why they are gems and just iconic. Just look at the beautiful coupe line. Again, the chroming bumper, all the parts around the taillights, for example, the lettering, everything is done in-house. Check out the curve at the Mercedes star. Beautiful. 8-cylinder. Very rare. In total, 3,270 are built of these coupes. How many are left today? I don't know. The convertible next to me is even more limited. 1,230 have been produced, and this also has an impact on its value. This one you can get for 499,000 euros, the coupe for 299,000 euros, and they are in perfect condition, even better than when they rolled off the factory. So that means we will also take it for a drive, of course, because they drive phenomenal, especially seeing the Mercedes star on the hood. Cabriolet in beautiful condition. This is called the Project Blue. There's this dark blue color, also interior wise. beautiful leather dash with amazing wood finish. And let's go to the entrance seat grey. The Mercedes 280 SE W111. Beautiful chrome finish again at the bumpers. And the interior is beige. Let me open the door. Beautiful, guys. The leather ceiling also in full leather. Amazing seats. And just check out the wood at the dash. Also the inside we have chrome, beautiful mirror-like quality. We have also seen in the videos where they created the seat chroming. Everything in-house in the factory. There we are inside the W111 280 SE. Into neutral. One more down, and there it is in 4. 4 basically means that it will shift all the way to the 4th gear. Beautiful blue interior matching with the exterior. The wood pillars. We are currently in neutral. Let's put it into drive, and we are ready to take off. Beautiful automatic gearbox in this V8. Nice Mercedes star. And beautiful materials used in this interior. We have a matching blue interior with wood trim on the complete dash, as well as the pillars. Beautiful Mercedes star on the hood. And then we have the coupe in front of us. And as you can see, we can drive very sportive with this W111 on this racetrack. So let's take a right turn. We have full air conditioning system in the car. Of course, matching Becker sound system for Europe. Defrosting, and a beautiful Mercedes clock right there at the dash. And what I really love is that when I activate the sound system, the antenna pops. It goes all the way up, guys. Let's put it down. Amazing. Amazing. The driving is effortless. And a beautiful feeling driving in the convertible 280 SE 3.5. Amazing, guys. And by the way, Motor Classic Hungary has special sophisticated transportation for clients, of course. So the vehicles, they will be delivered all the way to the airport or wherever to the doorstep of the client with these special trucks of Motor Classic Hungary. They are special built for classics with very precision. 2 W111s fit in here. The 600 Mercedes will also fit. And of course, the pagodas. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the W111 here at Motor Classic Hungary. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.